In this lesson, we will learn how to insert hyperlinks in Dreamweaver. Hyperlinks play a very important role in web designing because they help us to navigate between different pages of a website or to different websites. Hyperlinks can be set to any of the design elements of a web page, for example, to the images, or to the buttons in a navigation bar, or in a menu, or for a flash button, or for any text. We can set hyperlinks. Now let us see the different methods by which we can set the hyperlinks. For any of the object in the web page, first we can select it, and if we look at its properties, we have an option called link. Here, by browsing the web page or the image to which we are going to set the link, we can create a hyperlink. For example, here we have a button in the navigation bar named as Home. If we wanted to set a link to this button, select it, and in the properties bar under the link, we can either choose the file by clicking on this browse, or by using this point to file option, we can directly drag the pointer to which file we are going to set the link in this files panel. Say for example, I'm going to link it to a page named as calendar. So here we can see that calendar.html is linked to this home button. Now let us preview how it works. Here in the browser we have a button named as home. By clicking it, we navigated to a page named as calendar. In this way we can set a hyperlink between different pages of a website. We can set the hyperlink to a flash button also. Here we have a flash button. To set a link, select the flash button and double click it. Now insert flash button wizard is open. Here in this button we have an option named as link. Here we can browse and we can select the file to which we wanted to set the hyperlink. Say I linked it to home page, click on OK. Here under the target, we can choose whether we want to open the linked page in the same browser or in a separate window. If we choose blank, the file will be opened in a new window. Now click on OK. Let us preview this in Internet Explorer. Here we have the flash button. Click on this button. Now we have gone to that home page. But this home page has come entirely in a separate page, blank page. So in this way we can set a hyperlink. We can even set hyperlinks to the text typed here. For example, here we typed a text named as products. To set a hyperlink to this text, select it, go to the properties panel, and in that, under the link option, click on the browse, choose a web page named as products, click OK. So now this products text is linked up to the products web page. Now by clicking this text, here we find the text is changed into a link, it is underlined and the color is changed. Just by clicking it, it is navigated to products page. In the same way, the hyperlinks are also used to preview an image in its full size. For example, here we have a small thumbnail of a picture. If we wanted to set a hyperlink, when we click on this small thumbnail, if we wanted to see the full image in a new browser window, select this thumbnail and go to the link area, choose the original file. Click on OK. And under the target, click on blank. Now preview the page. By clicking this thumbnail, we get the image in a separate browser window in its full size. Now let us see how to set an email link. Email links help us to send an email to the target email address. To set an email link, first select the location where you wanted to insert the email link. For example, I wanted to insert an email link in this particular area. Keep the mouse cursor and click on the email link icon from the Common tab, or go to Insert menu and choose Email Link. Now an email link box is opened. Type the text mail me. Now type the email address. Without any spaces. In this way you can set the email address and click OK. So now here you find some text underlined. Preview this in the web browser. Here we have the email link. Just by clicking on it, we can find that email composing box from Microsoft Outlook Express. In this way, we can insert an email link. Now let us see how to insert a named anchor. Named anchors help us to navigate within the page. For example, this web page has got lot of information. It has got so many topics. To go to a particular topic, here we have to move the scroll bar up and down. Instead of that, just by clicking on the topic heading here, directly we can navigate to the particular place. So this can be done by using the named anchors. Let us see how to set the named anchors. Where you wanted to insert a named anchor. Say for example, here I would like to insert a named anchor. Place the mouse cursor and go to the Common tab and click on Named Anchor. Now type a name for this named anchor. See that it doesn't contain any capitals or any spaces and numbers. I type prefab. Click on OK. Now we can observe an anchor symbol displayed here. Here we can find the anchor symbol. Now let us go to the top of the page and choose the text which we wanted to make it into a link. Now go to its properties. In the link area, type the hash symbol or the number sign. Now type the name of the anchor, that is prefab. Here we could see this text is converted into a link. Let us preview it in the browser. By clicking on this, we can see that the web page is navigated to that prefab type area. In this way, we can set named anchors. So this hyperlinks, email links and named anchors help us to set navigation within the website or between different websites.